Introducing the one-part bench-top, mounted caulking tube dispenser with a foot pedal activated shot control. Hands-free operation. Ideal for bench-top dispensing of RTVs, grease, sealants, solder pastes, silicone caulk and other materials packaged in 10 to 12 ounce caulking tubes. This unit accepts all standard caulking tube packaging with removable or molded nozzles. The dispenser eliminates operator error and ergonomic fatigue by creating a bench-top mounted dispenser with a foot pedal operation. To assure accurate, drip-free operation, a pinch valve located on the outlet nozzle opens and closes by foot pedal or timer control. The timing console is optional but is recommended to assure repeatable shot size. Timing console operates on 110V. The dispenser operates on house air of 90 psi. Contact Ashby Cross to review your dispensing needs.